Great text in, and I'm going to give you the props, Skip, because you mentioned the Camp Lejeune water cases. So this is a really interesting new type of case that's coming out that affects people who were stationed at Camp Lejeune, North Carolina, huge Marine Corps base in North Carolina, the very eastern part of North Carolina. So if you were there, and if you were stationed as a service member, a DOD civilian, you were a dependent and where you were at the base for more than 30 days between 1953 and 1987, they have determined that the water at Camp Lejeune was ridiculously polluted due to contamination from toxic chemicals, industrial wastewater, jet fuel, and other things. And so, unfortunately, there are a number of cancers that people have developed from their time at Camp Lejeune. I'm not going to go through all of them, but it's, for example, bladder cancer, breast cancer, kidney cancer, leukemia, esophageal cancer, and some other things, non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, and a bunch of others. So there's actually a bill that has passed the House, is going to pass the Senate, is expected to be signed by President Biden this week, that's going to open up a very short window for people to be able to have claims as a result if they meet criteria. Now, you're going to have to prove you were at the base. You know, the burden's always on the plaintiff. Prove you're at the base between those time frames. There may be some disqualifying factors, potentially. Smoking always ends up being a big one if you're a smoker and you got esophageal cancer, some others that may have a negative impact on your ability to present a claim. But our firm is definitely going to be handling these type cases, working with a North Carolina law firm that's actually been spearheading these cases. So we'd love for you to call us at 601-988-8888 at the office, because the law, as it's intended to pass, has about a 2-year window. So it's really going to be, time is of the essence, because you got to get your medical records. You're going to have proof that you were at the base. So there's a lot of, paperwork that will be required to be gathered in a very short time to be able to present your case as it goes forward. So if you've got one of those, or a family member, friend, neighbor who was in the military and was, at Camp Lejeune, or their spouse was at Camp Lejeune, tell them to give us a call.